Hey, what's up, brothers? It's Fonte here. I hope everybody's safe and healthy, and this will be Honor 50 unboxing and first look. But before we start it, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more content like this. Thank you so much. And now, let's go. Honor is back. Honor is finally back. As you can see, this is the brand new Honor 50. Very nice phone. So let's unbox this puppy. White box. This is the phone. What is in the box? I'm curious. So, this is the power cord. Of course, massive 66 watts Honor supercharge. Fantastic. What else? We have USB-C, USB-A cable right here, and we have headphones. Okay, and here we have the silicone cover. Pink, pink, pink. Okay, brothers, and this is the Honor 50. This is the emerald green variant. So wow, this is the primary 108 megapixel main camera. Here we have the ultra wide camera and two 2 megapixel macro and portrait sensors. Of course, this is the flash. Wow, beautiful phone, very thin and very light. So let's turn Honor 50 on. As you can see, powered by Android. Honor is back with GMS, Google Mobile Services. So this phone has pre-installed Google Play and other Google stuff. That's awesome. After 2 years, the Honor is finally back with everything. This is the Play Store icon, as you can see, and I can log in, sign in with my Gmail account right now. So go back. I will show you the settings, of course, settings, about phone, and this is the Magic logo, Android version 11. I will show you. We have the Android 11 right here, and Magic UI version 4.2. Of course, this is Honor 50 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G 5G processor. So in this phone is a 5G modem, and we have here also 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. And Android security patch level is from September 1st. Okay, very fluid experience because display brightness and screen refresh rate. We have here the dynamic, high or standard, but I set the screen refresh rate on high, so I have 120 Hz right now active for very smooth visuals. That's cool. We have here Honor Club, Honor Store, Optimizer, Antutu, of course, files, no bloatware. Xiaomi, do you hear me? No bloatware here. And I will show you the results from Antutu. Decent results, over 500K, so very nice. And let's try the camera. 108 megapixel shooter. Okay, I will show you the camera interface right now. So settings, aspect ratio, the screen resolution, video resolution, it can shoot in 4K, 30 FPS, the Honor 50, assistive grid, and so on. Go back, video, nothing special. We have a multi-window right here. Hello. And we have, of course, some more section here, the Pro mode, HDR, high res, so the phone can shoot in 108 megapixel resolution. Boom shakalaka. And we have the maximum resolution right here. What else? So AMOLED OLED display, very nice viewing angles, super. What else? We have the Play Store here. I will show you the control center. The control center is here, and of course the settings. We have the dark mode here, of course, dark mode, and we have dark mode. So this is look at this. Look at this, brothers. But I will show you something else. Wait for it. Wait for it. I will show you this. This is Honor 50 and this is Nova 9. But this phone has GMS, this has HMS. So this is without Google. This is Nova 9 and this is Honor 50. Almost identical phones. The battery is the same, 4300 milliamp. The fast charging is also the same, 66 watts charging. But the camera, here we have the 50 megapixel shooter. Here we have the 108 megapixel shooter. And of course, this phone has 5G support and has a Play Store, but this phone lacks 5G support. It's only LTE phone, and it has pre-installed the app gallery from Huawei with less applications and so on. So brothers, this is Honor 50. Finally, the Honor is back, and alongside this phone will come the Honor 50 Lite for much less price. So I do hope you ended up enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, and as always, stay safe with the mask. Peace out, brothers, and stay phone tech.